Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous wreath bow in just a few minutes using the Bowdabra. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, lay it into the Bowdabra and tuck it underneath. And I also want to make sure it's long enough so that I could tie this bow onto a wreath or a swag or anywhere that I want to tie it. So now I'm going to just fold this in half and scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. Now the ends of it we've already dovetailed. And we're going to take our second ribbon, again fold it in half, and these are our tails. Then what I'm going to do is take my next ribbon, which I just love these striped ribbons. We actually have them on Bowdabra.com. So we're going to twist it and scrunch it down, fold it and twist it. And I want to just make sure that my loops are the same size. And I'm going to fold, and now I'm just going to look at how long each loop is and measure based on that. And that's if you really care if it's even. But most of the time I don't pay that much attention if it's a little off, because once you fluff it, you don't really notice. So we're going to twist it. And all we're doing is fold and twist, and this last one I'm not going to twist, I'm just going to scrunch it down like this. Then I'm going to take my polka dot ribbon, which I absolutely love. We're going to twist it and fold it back and twist it, and I'm just graduating it in a little bit from the other loops, and we're going to twist it, and again I'm just folding. And reason that I twist it is because that way the right side of the ribbon is on the outside of the loop, or the pretty side of the ribbon is on the outside of the loop. We're just going to fold this back over here. So all I'm doing is fold and twist. Then the last one I'm just going to fold in here. Then what I'm going to do is take my beautiful rose colored ribbon and I'm going to twist it and lay that down in here. And I'm going to just make this a little bit smaller again than this one. And if you don't already, please subscribe to us here on our YouTube channel for notifications of when we go live and when we have new videos that come out. So we have new videos minimum once a week. And we go live every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. So I'm going to go back over here. Actually, what I'm going to do is just make a little button loop. So this one I'm just going to fold in, and the button loop I make just about half the size of the other loop. And we'll just cut off this extra because we don't need it. And now I'll take my wand and I'll just scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. And I'm going to bring my ends up here, and there's a lot in this bow, a lot of ribbon. So what I want to do here is push everything down and pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Then when I take it out, you can see how much ribbon that is. And now all I have to do is separate my ends and bring them around to the back. And I'm going to tie it here, but also what I'm going to do is just sort of fluff everything out a little bit before I tie it off, so it makes it a little less thick. And we'll double knot that. And now all I have to do is shape out. So I'll start with my center loop, and I'm actually going to clip this a little closer. I didn't want to clip it too short because I wanted to make sure that it didn't fall out of the Bowdabra. So I'm just fluffing it by bringing these in opposite directions, and bring this here, leave that one there, and then I'll bring my pink polka dots around. And I just love how these three ribbons, which we do sell on Bowdabra.com, match and go so well together for a spring, summer, or even a Mother's Day bow. Bring these around here. Okay, so we'll just finish fluffing by pulling these loops apart, and now you have a gorgeous wreath bow or gift bow. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to watch our next videos.